Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to quickly enable being able to use apps while laying about. In case you're wondering what that might entail, something like, let's say you're laying down, you'd be looking up at the sky normally. Well, with the hold of the meta button, you could reposition your app entirely to be up here. Now, this is technically the meta home screen. So things like that might be enabled by default, but it's not enabled by default for most apps. So what you do is, well, first go to library, then settings. Alternatively, you could also go to quick settings, then go to settings. You just have to make sure to go to settings, okay? And then experimental features is what you want. You want to scroll down and make sure this box right here, or rather this tick, is on, okay? And then that will make it so you can use apps while lying down. Now, it does, however, give you a little bit of a what it's meant for / warning type thing, which is that this feature is for low intensity experiences that don't require a lot of movement. So basically it's saying if it requires a lot of movement, you're better not laying down while doing it. Basically, like, they're not responsible if you hurt yourself because you decided to lay down and use a big fitness app. That being said, I wonder if this works on games like Beat Saber stuff. Actually, does it work for games entirely? You know what? We are going to test it real quick and just see if it works for games, okay? Okay, Max Mustard is a game that came out not too long ago. Now, in theory, we should be able to look up, hold the meta button, and it did. It changed. It changed. So, technically, we can, in fact, do it. It looks like we can have it change the angle of stuff, so we can literally like play why we are laying down. I just wanted to confirm, make sure that, you know, works for you guys the way I thought it would. And not bad, not bad at all. But yeah, let me know comment section below. Is this a feature that you think you're going to be using a lot or no? Also, if you guys would like to see me play some of these games, I have another YouTube channel called Vamp Plays where I've been playing a lot of VR games from time to time. So just let me know your thoughts and opinions on everything. Also, feel free to check out that channel. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.